Now we have our numbers 29 times 37. I'm going to break the numbers down. In my 10 spot, I have 20. In my 1 spot, I have 9. So I have 29. Then my next number I'm going to break down is 30 and then 7. The more you say it to yourself, the more it'll make sense. 37 is 30 and then 7 ones. 29 is 20 and then 9 ones. Now I'm going to make my box to help me see the numbers that make up this equation. These numbers are inside this equation. For my first number on my top row, I'm going to write 20 and then 9. 20 and 9. In my tens place, I have 20 and then 9. And then in my second number, 30 and then 7. 30 and then 7. You may use a multiplication chart as well. If you have a multiplication chart, you can also look at that. Now, 20 times 30. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And then I have 2 zeros. 1, 2. Now I have 30 times 9. If I have a multiplication chart, I can look at that. I can say 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. But if I don't have a multiplication chart, then I can do something like this. I can say 3 times 9, 1, 2, 3, and then I go 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I count by nines. 9, 18, 27. Or I can count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. Now, 3 times 9 is 27, but I also have a 0, so I will say 270, because 30 times 9 is 270. Now I can go to 20 times 7. 20 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 7 is 14. Don't forget the 0. Now I bring the 0. I have 140. 20 times 7 is 140. This is really advanced, really, really advanced. This is a 6th grade problem. Anytime a number goes above a 6 or a 5, it increases in its skill level. 7 times 9 is 63. This is a really big problem. You are allowed to use a multiplication chart when we learn multiplication. 7 times 9 is 63, and you'll be able to follow that on your multiplication chart. Now that I have all of my numbers, for the sake of time, I'm going to go a little bit faster. I'm going to put all my numbers down so I can write my numbers down right here. 20 times 30 is 600. 600 plus 9 times 30 is 270. 20 times 7 is 140. And then 63. This is a big, big, big number. I'm going to show this to the 2nd grade teachers because they're not going to believe we're doing this. Now I have 600 plus 270 plus 140 plus 63. Now what I want to do is I want to eliminate the middle numbers. So I'm going to add the middle numbers. 270 plus 140. This is a really amazing problem. 0 plus 0. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then you can double check. I know 7 plus 3 is 10. So 7 plus 4 has to be 11. There's my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now I have 410. So I'm going to put my number down here. 600 plus 410 plus 63. Now, what I think I can do next is combine 410 with 63. So let's scoot over. 410 plus 63. This is a big number. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then 4. Bring the 4 down. So now I just combined these numbers. 410 plus 63. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then 4. I'm going to put my new equation up here so it's a little bit easier to see. Now I have 600 plus 473. Wow. When you're in 6th grade, you're going to see numbers like this. So the last thing I'm going to add is this. 600 plus 473. We have a little space up here, so we can do this up here. 600 plus 473. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 7 is 7. And then 6 plus 4 is 10, or 1073. Wow, this is a huge number. 1073. There are no 5th graders at Oak Park doing problems like this. If Dr. Villery saw that we're dealing with thousands, multiplying these numbers, she would be amazed. She would say, "You are phenomenal. These 2nd graders are phenomenal. They are spectacular. Yes, you may use a calculator. This is, I would say, middle of 6th grade. When you're in the middle of your 6th grade year, you will do these problems." Look at my mathematicians. Whoa, Talia, look at Esther. Whoa, Diego, I'm so proud of you. Okay, let me pause the recording and then